for my placements for everything and all, my basic language which I choose is Python. So to be interviewed or to
Okay.
learn coding. So in this process, I like this SQL thing so much. I love to do queries and all, and the databases to manage them, everything. So I thought that is my interest in that side. So I just got into that. That's
Okay, so which course did you enroll in here?
I enrolled in data scientist too.
So, first of all, congratulations for getting placed in SoapAI as a data scientist, right? So, to begin with, I would like to know about your education background. So, tell me something about your graduation. Basically your grad.
Yeah, I am graduated at Siddharth Institutes of Engineering and Technology in 2022, and I got placed in placements only, and I worked for 1 year at Persistent Systems. So later on, I had some career break. So then I got to know about this Azure job platform through one of my friend. So then I joined here, and I was little bit interested in data at the time, data side. So I just joined, and I learned very new things like about Power BI. Before I doesn't know about that. I have very basic idea on Python and SQL. So I learned that visual and Matplotlib. I learned something new, and everything was good at IQ Jobs when it was like daily classes or chat support and one-on-one mocks. Like we can take every time when we want. So everything is fine. What I want to tell to improve is like for now nothing. Like it would be better if I guess that also if one-on-one sessions, doubt sessions also was there. I appeared for 1, 2, 3.
Understand. Now, I would like to know again. You just told me that you graduated, but what exactly did you graduate in? Are you a tech student or a non-tech student? I don't have a context.
Background is mine ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering.
So you did tech ECE, and which year you graduated?
2022.
22, and then for 1 year you were working somewhere, right?
Then I have career break. Then I joined IQ Jobs, I guess in July. In July, say. Then for 1 year, more than 1.5 years, I was there in IQ Jobs. Then I got placed.
Got it. So before you joined Accio Job, now due to that career break, what were the challenges that you were facing due to the career break?
So I was applying. Might be that is the only reason. Like I couldn't get calls from outside. Since if I'm having the experience of 1 year also, they're expecting more than 1 year or 3 years thing. If I'm applying also, I'm not getting. Also, the market is so bad outside. Might be that is one of the reasons. Yeah, so I thought if any platform is there, it would be better for me. So I joined.
Got it. So now, and like during that career break, you were actively applying for jobs also, right?
Yeah.
But again, the issue that maybe due to the career break or due to less years of experience, you were not able to get good job opportunities. And plus the recession was already there. Is market condition.
Yes.
Got it. A lot of students have faced this issue. That is true. I have spoken to a lot of students, those who have graduated around 2022. Even I have graduated around 2022. So I can literally, relate with this issue that how worse the market conditions were back then compared to today, right? So yeah, that is something absolutely true. Now, how exactly did you came across Accio Job during that career break? Like, how exactly did you got to know about us?
Like, I was applying. Like, one of my friend told me about this Azure job platform thing. My friends already was studying in this Azure job platform. So from them, I got to know about this.
Got it. Now, coming, like you mentioned, you graduated in ECE, right? So it's a I won't say coding. A lot of coding is involved. I don't think so, right?
Yeah.
Then how did you decide that you want to join Accio Job, upskill yourself with a course? Like, how did you take this decision?
For my placements for everything and all, my basic language which I choose is Python. So to be interviewed or to learn coding. So in this process, I like this SQL thing so much. I love to do queries and all, and the databases to manage them, everything. So I thought that is my interest in that side. So I just got into that.
Okay, so which course did you enroll in here?
I enrolled in data scientist role.
Data science course. Got it. And what was the duration of your course here?
I guess 1 year, more than 1.5 year. Actually, I joined at July. I got placed in November. Yeah.
Acha, got it. Now, so how was your experience different with AccioJob? Like the entire training program, how was it different from what you were already doing?
Because of this, every meetings and every classes and assignments which we need to do for a week. So this makes change a lot. So we have to sit for at least 1 hour. We will sit and we will do, right. So because of that consistency, I guess we could get this.
Got it. And
Yes.
got it. What was the best part for you in this entire training duration? Like, what was your favorite part here, and why is it your favorite? If you could tell me that.
Favorite, if I would say, when I heard that I got placed somewhere, I can say that.
Got it. Nothing else in the entire journey, in the entire learning stage?
I like
anything?
talking with the faculty on one-on-one sessions. I'll be getting feedback as well.
Yeah.
So that was also great. But I remember Sirathar have given me many suggestions as well.
Okay, got it. Now coming to your placement results. So how many companies did you apply, by the way, when you were here at AccioJob?
More than 20-30 I applied.
And
I applied more than that. I gave interview for nearly 10 to 15 around.
okay. And so when your family got to know that, you got shortlisted, you got placed in this particular company, how was their reaction?
So they were happy actually. So I had some career break as well, right? So they were happy.
Got it. Now, if you had to summarize your entire journey with us in one line, what would it be?
It was a great experience actually. So we can learn a lot. In the way we can improve ourselves. We can be consistently. So how to read, how to grow. If we are with nothing also, we can improve a lot, I guess.
Absolutely. That's actually correct. Also, one thing that AccioJob got exactly right for you to get you placed, anything like that that was missing earlier, but here once you joined and it just hit the right spot. Anything like that?
I can say about skills, I guess. Like earlier, I like SQL also, I know very basics. So after coming here, I learned a lot actually. So I guess it improved me.
Okay, with respect to the skills, AccioJob helped you a lot, really.
Yes.
Understood. All right. And anything where you think we can still improve ourselves? Is there anything that we can try to improve so that the next batch of students do not face that issue that you might have faced?
Yes, yeah, I can, like, where I felt very bad is only in this what was promised, and that is what I did not get actually. So I don't want anyone others to face that. Yeah.
What role were you promised? Just a little curious.
I was promised data scientist role only, and I got the interview also for 1 hour interview, whole with Python and SQL only. One day is whole with Python, the other day with whole SQL. But I'm not using one skill also where I'm doing work actually. The work is totally different.
But the role is still data scientist.
Role is
right?
AI annotator, I guess, and my package is also different. I am getting 25,000 per month, but I promise is 6L.
So that's because your internship is still going on, right? So stipend and
Internship, they promised me that as well, right? 3 months of internship, and then they'll convert me to full time. I joined like 8 months before here.
Okay. Got it. So I'll definitely take this feedback. We'll make sure that something like this doesn't happen with any other students at least, right? And however, you can still reach out to our placement team in case you're still there is you can have a word with the placement team. I'm sure they'll be there to help you.
Like I spoke with one, I don't remember, Himanshu, I guess, or Abhay also. I told them actually. So here this is the issue. I want to attend for placements again. So they told yes, you will be attended. So again, I'm not getting, like before we will get a message, at WhatsApp message, you have to apply like that. So I'm not getting that as well. So I thought to talk once again. So it's not happening. Please convey to them as well.
I'll definitely convey this with our placement team, and I'll make sure somebody gets in touch with you within this week itself. Okay, and you can have a word with Lily.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Not an issue at all. Okay, now see, we will be sharing your success story with a lot of other students also who are currently in their journey to either start their entire upskilling process, or they are in the middle of that process. So they soon will be job ready. They will be starting to apply. Now,
Yeah.
such students, there could be one message that you can share with them. What would it be?
For everyone, I am saying from the very first day we'll feel so low motivated. I know, so we have to sit, be patient. So one day you'll get success.
Absolutely, patience is the key after all, right?
Yeah.
And you have to be consistent with the efforts that you put. Only then,
that is more important.
yes, consistency is also the key, I would say.
Yes.
All right, now we will just wrap up the entire session. If
Yeah.
you could describe your job with one emoji, what would it be? Okay, a heart. Red heart?
Why? Because I was in very bad phase, right? So after joining here, at least I got that. Otherwise, I don't know the situation outside. So in my bad phase, it was there with me, and I got into some better place at least.
Got it. Thank you so much, Gautami, for sharing your story with us. It was a really nice journey that you had altogether. And congratulations once again on getting placed as a data science in Soul AI. Right? I wish you all the very best for your future also. And thanks for giving me this opportunity to hear about your success story.
Thank you.